Hi, I'm Doug the 2-Minute Gardener standing in my own garden, and today we're going to talk about how to prune a Mexican bush sage. So this is Salvia leucantha, Mexican bush sage, a very easy to grow hummingbird plant. It's nice and big, about 4 feet tall by 4 feet wide, and about by December it's going to start looking lanky and ugly, so you want to prune it hard down to the ground. So we're going to show you how to do those things. So I'm here in the garden with my cameraman Noah and my dog Ginger, who has the cone of shame on because unfortunately she had surgery, but she's still really eager to prove her assistance here in the garden. So Mexican bush sage is really easy to prune. Just take a regular set of hand clippers and you get down in there and you want to whack it all the way down till you see the new growth. So you just start cutting and cutting and cutting and get it whacked down and throw the stuff to one side. And the more you cut, the more new growth you're going to expose. And the idea behind doing that is twofold. You encourage the plant to shoot up new growth, and the new growth is where you're going to get the really big, beautiful blooms, but you also want the sun to hit the core of the plant, because by doing that, it really encourages the health of the plant. It encourages more root growth, which in turn gets more flower growth going. So you just keep bending down and whacking it out, and just cut all the old stuff to one side and just keep cutting. All right, so I'm going to show you what this all looks like after I've pruned it all down, but that's kind of the basics of pruning a Mexican bush sage. Hello again. So we're back. I've pruned one of the sages. I've actually pruned one and a slightly smaller one, and Ginger is checking out my handiwork. So you can see I pruned it down to the ground, and now we have a little bit of new growth popping up already in a bunch of these. And that's what we're trying to do, is expose that new growth to the sunshine and really get the growth going to get those big beautiful flowers by about March or so. Right now it's early December. So again, this is before and this is after, and this will come roaring back very quickly. It filled this garden nicely. Now I have 4 Mexican bush sages. I like to only trim 1 per week because I want to leave a little bit of food for the hummingbirds to still enjoy in the garden. So if you have a lot of them, stagger your prunings over the course of a month so you're not depriving those birds of valuable food here in the wintertime. Well, that's all for now. This is Doug the 2-Minute Gardener and Ginger saying so long and thanks for watching.